What in the Johnny Bravo hairline is going on here? Let me show you how you can take your wig from this to this. So you ordered a wig and it is not anything. It's not pre-plucked, it's not pre-bleached, it's not pre-parted. I know some people would not mind and just wear their wigs like that. We're not doing this in 2025, okay? Come, let me show you. To be blasting free spray and just spray around the edges. Smoothing out the edges using my comb. Hair mousse, my edge control brush. Next you need a wax stick and just apply in the area you're parting, however you want it to be. So what I'm going to do is curl. I always do a strand test from the back, making sure that the hair can tolerate heat. We're almost done, almost done. Ooh, look at that. Look at, can you see that? Wow, I love it already. Do you see? A zigzag motion. Release the lace. Ooh, you see that? You can just easily push that out of the way. Blending brush and just blend the edges. Girl, what is this giving? What? Can you see what I am seeing? My goodness. What? Prepared to be sick of me, literally. This is some art. What is this gorgeousness? Tell me, can you just believe this? It's gifting, honey. Can you believe that this square-shaped hairline looks as natural as this? If you are going to try this, remember to tag me or mention me or send me pictures. Can you believe that this random wig that you bought with a square hairline, black knots, unstyled wig has transformed into this? Do you believe that you're capable of transforming your wig? I'm sure there's so many people on this table that have wigs that they have abandoned because they do not know what to do with it or how to style it. If you're one of those people and you feel like you want to revive all your wigs and just want to do it by yourself, if you want to learn more about styling your wigs, comment DIY and I'll send you a link on the process to book a class. Thanks for watching.